Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh, this is Cranks and Pistons, and now presenting Cranks and Pistons from Detroit, the Motor City, baby. Check this. I know it's been a long time, but we're back and slowly starting back up, and the vlogs are gonna continue, guys. New vlogs coming from the US of the A. But guess what? I landed in Detroit. I didn't rent a Ford. I ended up getting a Tesla because that's all they had. And this is the first time I'm driving a left-hand drive car in a whole different country. So the city is totally different from where I'm coming from Hong Kong. It's a concrete jungle. Detroit's got space, baby. The roads are huge. You can just go ham. And that's why I guess I'm liking the Tesla. I'm not supposed to say this, wink wink, but I've gone over speeding quite a bit. I'm not going to tell which car rental I got the car from, but it's nice. Check out this ZL1. What a beauty.
Thank you, man.
Oh, it's yours?
Yeah, I don't want to be okay.
Okay, oh, sorry. Sorry.
I got warrants, man. No, I'm just playing. I got warrants. No, I'm just playing.
Oh, sick ride.
Thank you.
At some point, I hope I can jump into one of those cars and drive with them and go to a car meet, probably. Go to a Cars and Coffee. Because I can't take a Tesla to a Cars and Coffee. I need to have something respectable to enter, which Tesla is not. And it's a blue color Tesla. At least if it's like a black color Model X with like sick rims and the body kit and stuff, yeah, it's worth it. But otherwise, I don't think so. So, finally, we've arrived. This is a baby right here. I mean, it's a decent car. Comfy, easy to drive, and a good trainer for a left hand. Driving right hand all my life, it has been tough. So, a startup process. All right, that's on. No dash. Right. I mean, you guys have seen the old Tesla videos. There's pretty much nothing in the car. There's only the iPad that has all the controls that you need, which we're gonna go through. The sun is going down right now, and it's gonna be a little bit harder for me to shoot, so do stay tuned, you guys. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna get back in the car, and we're also gonna head down to the Ford Museum and go check out some sick cars. Sick classics, not sick cars, sick classics, and hopefully sit in a old school Ford GT, the Champion Ford GT. Fingers crossed. Let's see how that goes. So stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back. It's the next day. Let's go for a quick walk around of this Tesla Model 3. Being a smart car, everything is button operated, including the door. There's no old school latch, just the button. I'm gonna first close the door, and there's a button right here. I'm gonna show it to you guys on the other side. And you have all your controls. Climate controls are all in the display here, and it's the most simple dash that you would ever see. Normally I would want my speed gauge and everything right in front, but the Tesla is all controlled on the iPad. That is different, not really helpful, but it's a little bit different. But this iPad is powerful as fuck. So this got all the apps that you need. It's got some funky stuff going on in this as well. So first, let's go to the car controls. So you have all your basic controls right here: pedals, charging, autopilot, and locks. I haven't tried the autopilot yet. I'm a little bit iffy on that. I'm not really sure because I don't know how to make it work. But at some point we will. We'll do a full walk around of this car. You guys let me know down in the comments. We'll do a full walk around of this car and I'll show a little bit more of it. Or otherwise, there's a bunch of other YouTubers that you guys can refer to. And we're repping Cranks and Pistons right here. But now, let's get on the road and I'll tell you guys more. So first, we're gonna go to a supercharger. We're gonna go charge this car up. It's at 44%. I need to drop the car off today. We're gonna go to the supercharger, and it's really easy on this. you can just go and hit this button right here on the map, and it gives you all the closest supercharger locations. Today we're going to Livonia. Now it's gonna take around 18 minutes. It's 15 miles, and we're gonna be there real quick. Let's belt up, because this car beeps like crazy if you don't belt up. And safety first, guys. Always belt up when you're driving, yeah? So let's get on the road now. But I have to tell you guys, after driving fuel cars all my life, the battery anxiety in this is real. It's only at 43% right now, and I'm already like a little bit anxious and stressed. I know I will make it. It's barely like 14 miles, and I'm sure 43% on a Tesla can take the 14 miles. The ride is smooth. You might sleep actually, because the car is so slow. At a point, you might end up taking a nap. But if you have your autopilot on, I think it's gonna be a piece of cake. It's gonna take control and drive. You just put your hand here and just go for take a nice little nap, and it's gonna take you to your destination. And if any impact's gonna come up, the car's gonna be like beep, 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 beep. It yells so much. It's a little bit annoying, but it's very precautious and safe. Thank you, Elon. And it's the first time I'm driving a left-hand drive car in America, or in any country for that fact. I've never driven it in Europe or China either. So this is the first time. It's a good experience. It took me like an hour to get used to it. But as you can see, we're running it. Just run and gun. To charge, we come into the main, go to the charging panel, open charge port. This arrow shows where the charge port is, which side it is, so you're better aware. Now, you just have to go and plug it in. I can't forget my keys inside, so I need to take the keys. I want to get logged out of the smart car. And, oh damn, port's not open. There you go, now it is. Plug it in, car's charging, confirmed. And now in the dash, it'll show us how much it has to charge to finish up. Let's take a quick look at that. So right now, 31%. Current session is $0. Let's see how much it costs. Charge limit is 100%, 50 minutes remaining. There you go. You got it. 45 minutes remaining. Let's go, boy. Gonna be back out on the road in 45 minutes. 100% charge. Supercharged Tesla, baby. Really wanted to hit the 100, guys, but I'm getting late for my flight, and we don't have enough time to go to the museum and then go to the flight, so we're gonna bounce at 99. But I'm going to show you guys how much this actually charges us. Let's go to charging, and right now for this full charge, it's about $18. I don't know how much that comes out in gas money. I haven't had a gas guzzler here yet, so I don't know how much gas costs, but this, I think, is pretty good. Otherwise, I'll have to pay the rental car company a bigger markup to charge the car up. This works out better for us. Now let's get on our way and hit the museum.